Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
As of now, from 8 destinations, we have received requests for the international charters.
So what are those destinations? Can you tell us?
So from Tel Aviv, Kuala Lumpur, Bahrain, Russia, Gatwick, Almaty, Manchester and Muscat. So these are all apart from the regular international flights operating from Doha, London, Dubai, Muscat, Sharjah. There is nothing like that. Airports Authority of India has clarified that Goa will be catered by Goa International Airport as well as Mopa Airport. Goa will have 2 airports now. Even after commissioning of the Mopa Airport, WM Airport run by Airports Authority of India will continue to operate, will continue to receive the scheduled flights.